hi crocheters of the world. In this tutorial we will work together on this lovely shawl. It is my creation, my design. Now, even if this is a video that I bring to you for free, this does not mean that you can take this design of mine and put it on Facebook or somewhere else as your design. It is mine, okay? So don't forget about this, because it is very important. When you put something work with my videos, please just link the video. It's so easy for you, and for me it's so important. So it's like you support me, it's like you help me to go ahead if you like my tutorials and if you like my designs, okay? So this is something that I wanted to say. So this is the shawl. It is composed by 3 actually pattern stitches. I want it to be with lines, and yes, that's it. I am very happy about this. The length, the central line is about 72 centimeters, and the width is 180 centimeters. Now I need to put a border. I just want to put a border. I don't know if I will put a border, but I think I will. And maybe, so if I find the perfect border for it, I will make a small tutorial just to show you the border and maybe how to put it, I don't know, okay? But the shawl is this one, is lovely. It's not very difficult, you will see. In the tutorial I am working with a larger, thicker yarn and larger crochet hook, and I work with this one. You can find it in my boutique if you are interested in sustaining me and buy it from me. It's the link, it is below. It's just one that I used, and the colors are lovely. It's ombre and it is really lovely. The colors are really beautiful. Now I work with 3.5 millimeters hook, and what else I can say? Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like the tutorials. Don't forget to share them with your friends on Facebook or someone else. For me, each of these things are very important. For you, I know that for you it's nothing. For you it's maybe you don't think that, you don't just realize that for me it's very important. So as I said before, if you like my tutorials, if you like what I'm doing here, then just try to help me just a little bit. So see you at the next tutorial. I leave you to this tutorial for now. Bye. Now with a thicker yarn I will show you how to work. It is the stone washed from Shipji. You can find it also in my boutique. Now let's see how to begin. So as I explained you before, there are 3 pattern stitches. We will begin with the first, which is the granny version, and it's a version that I already used in some of my projects, but I will explain it to you well and clear enough here too. Begin with 5 chains, yarn over into the first chain from the hook, just work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets, chain, yarn over twice, and into the same chain, beginning chain, we will triple crochet. This is the first row. We will always work after a double crochet row, a chain, 3 and single crochet row. Now I want to say you that I always count the double crochet row. The chain and double and single crochet, it's a accessory, let's say row. So chain 1 and turn. Into the triple crochet, work a single crochet, into the chain 1 space, work a single crochet. You will always begin like this, your single crochet and chain row. Chain 3, skip 1 group of 3 double crochet. Now we have only one. Single crochet into the central chain 3 space, chain 3 and single crochet again into the same central chain 3 space. Now skip again a group of 3 double crochets, chain 3, insert hook into the chain 1 space, single crochet into it, and the last single crochet you will work into your 1, 2, 3, 4th chain of the beginning chain 5. Okay, now let's repeat, but with all repeating we will put another group of 3 double crochets. Chain 5, we will always begin with 5 double crochets. The row with 3 double crochets. Okay, we skip the first single crochet into the next. We will always don't forget, put 3 double crochets into the second single crochet. We will always put 3 double crochets. I am talking only about this pattern stitch, the first one. Okay, so these steps are essentials. These steps are the steps that you will repeat for each and every row you will work of this pattern into this project, obvious. Chain 3, into your chain 3, work 3 double crochets. This is the third step that you will always repeat. Now again, before the central chain 3, around the single crochet, around this single crochet, pull the yarn through. You will work a long, elongated back post double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 1, this is the elongated double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay. Skip directly into the central chain 3 space and work 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets. Always we will work like this. Again, we will just repeat what we did here so far, but we will work it contrary. So around the single crochet we will work our elongated double crochet back post around the single crochet. Into the chain 3 space, 3 double crochets. Always we will finish with 3 double crochets. Into the single crochet, the second to last single crochets. Always don't forget to work 3 double crochets. This is how you increase actually. So don't forget, we increase here in the middle, we increase by working our 3 double crochet into the second to last or into the second single crochet of the previous row. And now to finish, what we have to do is chain 1, yarn over twice, into the last single crochet, go ahead and work your triple crochet. Okay, second row done. Let's go with the second accessory row, chain 1, and we always begin with a single crochet into the triple crochet, single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now attention, chain 1, and we will always work a single crochet in between the first and the last group of 3 double crochets. Always. Chain 3, and now where we have the double crochet already worked, it's here, the front post, the back post, we work into this back post double crochet our single crochet. Chain 3, and now of course we will skip directly into the chain 3 space, central chain 3 space, central chain 3 space, and we will single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. We will work exactly the same thing on the other side. Skip 3 into the back post double crochet, work your single crochet. Chain 3 and into the second to last and second double crochet, a group of 3 double crochet, always into the second to last, and the last we will single crochet in between. Chain 3, we will always single crochet into the chain 1 space, always finish with single crochet into the 4th chain of the beginning, chain 5. Okay, that's it. These are the first two rows. Let's go with the third. Don't forget what I've already said to you, what I've already explained to you. Always begin with a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 4 stays for the first triple crochet chain. The other chain is for the chain 1 space. Now, don't forget the second step is into the second single crochet, 3 double crochets. These are the steps that you have to repeat at the beginning of each double crochet row. Okay, third step, yarn over into the first chain 3 space, work 3 double crochets. Sorry, it was my cell phone. So as I said, first step 5 chains. Second step, don't forget, into the second single crochet 3 double crochets. Third step, 3 double crochet into the first chain 1 space. Now fourth step, attention, around the single crochet, the long elongated double crochet, back post double crochet. And now we go with the normal, let's say, pattern. So 3 double crochet into the chain 3, and around the double crochet, elongated double crochet that we have, now we will always work triple crochet. Okay, so where you have elongated double crochet back post, you will work back post triple crochet into the chain 3, 3 double crochet. I know it's a little bit, it seems to be a little bit difficult, but believe me, it is not. Before the central chain 3 into the single crochet around it, always elongated double crochet. Okay, always. This is the 5th step that we will always repeat. No matter what we will have in the middle, we will always repeat these 5 steps, the beginning 4 and this one. Okay, now into the chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, and just working faster a little bit, 3 double crochet. This is easy. Now again, we will begin here with the first step of the repeating. So double crochet around the single crochet, back post elongated double crochet, like this. I always fold, as you can see, because it's easier to work it. Now we go with the chain 3 and the back post triple crochet around the back post double crochet or triple crochet, depends on what you will have. So far you have double crochet, but you will have triple crochet, okay, of the previous row of the double crochet. So triple crochet, and into the chain 3 we go with 3 double crochets. Now the steps to finish the row. So the first was this one, single crochet immediately after the chain 3, the central 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. We work this elongated back post double crochet always around the single crochet. This is the first step that we will always repeat. So the next step is again another into the last single crochet that we have here. We work the elongated double crochet, then into the last chain 3 space, obvious 3 double crochets, and now we have 2 more single crochets, chain 2 more single crochets into the second to last, always as into the second. At the beginning we work 3 double crochets. Always don't forget about this, because this is how you increase. Now to finish, chain 1, yarn over twice into the second into the last single crochet, you work a triple crochet, and this is the last step. Okay, this is how you will continue on. This is how you will increase actually. And in the middle where you have double or triple, you will work triple crochet from now on. Okay, so always you will work triple crochet where you have elongated double crochet back post or triple crochet back post. You will always work triple back post. Yes, triple back post. Now let's go with another one. Before we have to work the chain 1, the single crochet and chain. So for the single crochet and chain, we single crochet into the first, triple crochet, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3, and we will work into here. We work, so this is again let's say the 3 steps to repeat we have here at the beginning. We chain 1 and turn, we single crochet into the first, and this is the first step, and single crochet into the chain 1 space, second step. Third step, chain 3, single crochet in between the first and the last, the first and the second group of 3 double crochet always. From now on we will just go ahead and work chain 3, 1 single crochet into the back post, double or triple crochet, depends. Chain 3 into this one, single crochet, chain 3 into this one. Just pay attention to be into the back post, not into the single crochet on the group of 3. Chain 3, and now we skip directly into the chain 1 space when we are about to work the central line of increasing. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. From here we will just go ahead and work the same thing. Chain 3 into the back post, double crochet, triple crochet, single crochet. We work chain 3 into the back post, in between the group of 3 we single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And now again we have 2 more groups. Now always when we have 2 more groups, we will chain 3 in between the 2 groups of 3, we will single crochet. This is the first step. Then chain 3 into the chain 1 space, single crochet or around, and into the 4th chain of the beginning chain 5, single crochet. Okay, so I am telling you these steps, beginning and finishing steps, because you will have more and more obvious as you will work the shawl in between these steps. Okay, so it's very important to memorize them from the beginning. Okay, now I will work with you 1 more row of double crochets, and then we will just switch to the other pattern stitch. We have 3, you know. And I will also show you how to switch actually to another stitch pattern. It's easy, believe me. The other 2 are easier, much more easier. This one is the most complicated. It is not very complicated, but maybe you will find it a little bit complex. Now chain 5, again our 4 steps, beginning 4 step, chain 5 and into the second single crochet, 3 double crochet. Don't forget about these steps. Don't forget about these steps. Okay, second step, 3 double crochet into the second chain 3 space. Into the second, single crochet. Okay, now into the first chain 3 space. I was already thinking of the chain 3 space. Work 3 double crochets. This is your third step. Fourth step, around the single crochet, work a elongated double crochet. From here we will just work chain 3 into the chain 3, 3 double crochet around the double or triple back post. Here it is, each of them we will work triple back post. Okay, around each of them, in between the beginning and the central increase. We always work like this. We will always work like this. 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space and triple crochet around the elongated double crochet or triple crochet of the previous double crochet row. Okay, this is another rule. Okay, we are here, and when we are about, I have to work one more group of 3 into the last chain 3 space, and the 5th rule, do you remember, it's around the single crochet before the central chain 3 we work a elongated back post double crochet into the central chain 3 space. We know with 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and then we begin with our rules to repeat on the other side, but we just work them on the contrary. So which means we begin with the elongated back post double crochet around our first single crochet that we see. Elongated means that we chain, yarn over and pull through 1, and then we yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now we just continue on working as I've told you before, 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space and always triple crochet around the elongated double crochet back post or triple crochet back post of the previous row. Always we triple crochet from now on. 2 and 3. Here it is in the middle. So you just have to watch and you will see it. It's not difficult. Chain 3 into the chain 3 we go ahead and work 3 double crochets. Okay, until we reach our, go like this. Okay, until we reach our single crochet here before the last chain 3 space. Okay, we stop. So this is my last chain 3 space. We stop here because here we have our 4 steps to repeat. Yarn over around the single crochet, we elongated back post double crochet into the chain 3, obvious, we 3 double crochet. We don't forget to work 3 double crochet into the second to last single crochet, and to finish the row we chain 1, yarn over twice into the last single crochet with triple crochet. Okay, now that's it. I made a nice knot here too, but that's it. This is our very first pattern stitch for the Marvelous Shawl. Okay, so that's it. This is how we will work it. This is the back side, and ta-da, this is the front side. Look at it. Isn't it just lovely? Now, from in the shawl pattern I worked 6. So 6 of these, I am only counting my double crochet rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 4 because it's only for you to understand how to actually work the shawl. What I want to say is that you can change the sequences. You can work only 4 or you can work 8 instead of 6. Okay? It's not that you have to work exactly the same number of rows that I worked. I just go ahead, I just went on with 6. 6 of this one, 6 of the other one, and 6 of the other one. So now I will just show you how to work the second pattern stitch for our shawl. So now that we understand, hope you understand, how to work the first part of the shawl, let's see how to work the second pattern stitch for the shawl. Now the second stitch of the pattern is second pattern actually is really easy. It's a 3D double crochet, groups of 3 double crochet. Now we will begin exactly as we began for the first. So for the double crochet row, I am talking about the double crochet row with a chain 5, yarn over, and into the chain 1 space we want to work a double crochet group of 3. Okay, so always we will begin like this. Now around each first double crochet of each group of 3 we will work 3 double crochets like this, yarn over elongated double crochet. So this is my first group of 3, around like this, yarn over, pull around, yarn over, pull through 1, 2 and 2. This is my first one. Let's go with the second and with the third, around the first stitch. Okay, this is the first. Now we will skip around the first stitch of the next 3 and we will work the same, yarn over, pull through 1, 2 and 2, around the first, always around the first, pull through 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, around the 1 to the first one we work 3. You can also work like this, so it's maybe easier. So this is my next. Don't work around the double crochet in the middle, so the front post, actually the back post, sorry, back post. Okay, work around the first double crochet of each group of 3 like this. Okay, so again, this is my next, around the first group of, so actually we work the group of 3 double crochets around the first double crochet of the previous group of 3 double crochets. Okay, this one actually does not work. Okay, and that's it. So this is what you want to repeat for 6. Now let me tell you something. I worked, as I said before, I worked 6 rows. Now we have this one. This is the last before the chain 3 space. We work around the first double crochet of the last group of 3 before the chain 3 space, like this, and now into the chain 3 space as usual we 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. So here it's the same. Okay, and on the other side we will go exactly the same. So look at it. Now what I want to say is that the first we'll have the horizontal line on the back side. Into the next we will have it on the front side. That's why I'm working 6. So I will have 3 horizontal lines on the front side. Now if you want to work with 4 you will have 2 lines. If you want to work it with 8 rows you will have 4 lines. It's actually up to you. Yarn over, and this is my first double crochet of my 3 double crochets of my first group after the increasing in the center increase. Okay, I will skip into the next, just the first double crochet we use of each group. Around this first we work our 3 elongated double crochets, 2 and 3. Okay, now this is the next 1, 2 and 3, and this is the next 1, 2. Oops, this was the second, not the first, so just be sure that you are working always 1, 2 and 3. One, 2 and 3, and again around the first. So first double crochet of each group of 3. You can fold like this so you can see better. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I have my last. Let me show you how to finish the row. So this is very easy, but the effect that creates is so beautiful. Okay, and at the end we will work 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space. You know we have 5 chains, 4 for the first triple and 1 for the chain 1 space. Chain 1, yarn over twice, 1 2 3 into the 4th chain of the beginning chain 5, work your triple crochet. And we begin exactly the same. 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, turn your work into the chain 1 space. Don't forget, it's very important, don't forget to 3 double crochets. With 3 double crochets, and then we go ahead and work exactly the same thing that we worked into the first row, which means yarn over, first double crochet of each group of 3. We work 3 elongated double crochet. Okay, first of each. Okay, this is the next, and from here you will see that on the front side you will have the beautiful line that we want to have. And this is a 3-dimensional, because we actually, as you can see, let me show you, this is the second row, so we can already see. As you can see, it's kind of 3D. And we have the beautiful line, and it's a very easy stitch, but as I said before, it's so beautiful into this shawl. Okay, now we have the second, and it's so easy. The last one, the third and the last one, is the arrow stitch, a stitch that I love. I already worked some projects with it, and I just love it. And I also worked a shawl, entire shawl with it. Oh, I just want to show you how to add it on our shawl. Okay, I will finish this by myself, and then I will show you. So this is it. So you will just continue on like this. As I said before, I worked, as you can see, it's so beautiful. We have vertical lines, and then we have horizontal, and then we will finish with the arrow lines. Really, really lovely. Now, I will show you the third pattern stitch of the arrow stitch, but I just wanted to tell you that it's really easy. I worked 6. You can work from my point of view, so it's my advice, work in pairs, work in rows, even rows. Okay, so you can work only 4 4 and 4, 6 6 and 6, 8 and 8 and 8. So it's you to decide, but make it even. So let's see how to begin. Now, to begin this arrow stitch, we will work before 2 rows, prep rows. So single crochet into the triple crochet, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3 in between the groups of 3 single crochet, chain 3 in between the next 2 groups of 3 single crochet, and we just continue on like this. Okay, let's continue on like this, and then the next prep row is we will 3 double crochets into each chain 3 space. Okay, like this, chain 3, and into the chain 3 in the middle we single crochet, chain 3, single crochet as we know, and we continue on the other side like this. We finish with single crochet and single crochet one more time into the chain 4 of the beginning chain 5. Okay, now we will chain 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5. So turn your work, and into the second single crochet we don't want to forget to put our 3 double crochets. We always increase at the beginning of each row with double crochet, and now into each chain 3 space we 3 double crochets. Skip it to the next 3 double crochets. So this is how we will continue on. Of course, in the center we will 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Okay, that's it. And then I will show you how to work your arrow stitch. Okay, so now let's see how to work the arrow stitch. We will begin again with chain 5 and with 3 double crochet into the first chain 1 space. We don't forget to work this. Each row begins like this. Now we will work over 2 groups of 4 sorry, we will work over 2 groups of 2 groups of 3 double crochets, so over 6 double crochets. This is what I want to say. Okay, we will work I think it's a double triple, so 3 times the yarn around the hook, insert hook, skipping 5 of these 6, we insert hook into the 6th, and we work our stitch. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and we double crochet. Yarn over 3 times. We will repeat this. So 1 2 3 4 5, into the 6th we go, and we just want to work our double triple. Then we will go ahead and work from the back side the 5 double crochets that we skipped. We work from the back side when we are on the right side of our shawl. Okay, we are on the right side of our shawl. We know this because we have these vertical lines. Not because we have this, because this we have on the wrong side too. So these are the lines that guide us. Okay, let me show you one more time. 1 2 3, yarn over around the hook 3 times. 1 2 3 4 5, into the 6th we go. We pull up a loop, we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 4 times. Yarn over, and we work our 5 double crochets left. So actually the double crochet that we skipped from the back. So actually from the back we work them into the double crochet of the previous row, but we just want to leave the double triple on the front side. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, into the 6th we go, and we work our double triple. Yarn over like this, we go and we work our 5 double crochets. So this is 4 and this is 5. 3 times, and we go again 1 2 3 4 5 into the 6th. So each on each 2 groups of 3 double crochets over each 2 groups. So we work these groups in pair to complete one sequence of our arrow stitch. Okay, here it is. Now as you can see here we have 3 more to the center, which means we will work on over this last 6, our last sequence, and the 3 double crochets that we have more, we will just work over the 3 double crochets. I have my 5, and now here I just work 3 double crochets. So when you have only 3, you cannot complete one arrow stitch sequence, you just work double crochets like this. Into the center, so into the chain 3 space, we just 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Okay. Now we will begin as we finish here with 3 double crochets. So don't forget, this is very important for the symmetrical question. So we will begin with 3 and then we will complete our sequences. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will complete my 6 sequences, and then of course don't forget to 3 double crochet into the chain here at the beginning. We will do the same thing at the end. So let's see. 3 double crochets, as I said. 1, 2, 3, and over the next 6 into the 6th we go and we work our triple crochet. Then we just go ahead and work 5 more double crochets. 1 double crochet into each of our skipped double crochet. Okay, 4 and 5. I don't know, I have 5 or 6. No, there are 5. Okay. Yarn over 3 times, skip into the 6th and work your double triple. And then from the first that you skipped, work in each double crochet, 1 double crochet for a total of 5. Obvious. We skipped 5. Obvious that we have to work 5. Now we just complete these to the end. So as I said before, it's easier than the beginning and the end of the arrow stitch. You can actually work now like this with this method, that shawl too if you want to. It's a lovely shawl, that one too. It's only arrow stitch, but it's beautiful. I'm just in love with the arrow stitch. I have some stitches that I'm obsessed with, and arrow stitch is one of them. Okay, I am about to finish my first row of arrow stitch. We come back and we work our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over 3 times, insert hook into the last double crochet, work your triple, double triple, and now we go with our 2, 3, 4 and 5. We don't forget to work 3 double crochets here. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, into the 4th we go, 4th chain of the beginning, chain 5, and we work our triple crochet. Okay, that is it. That is it. And now let me look at this beauty. Now let me show you how to work the next row of the arrow stitch. We chain 5 and we work 3 double crochets here. Okay, And now we have our sequences, but we have our group of 3 here, as exactly as we had here into the first row. Now we have here, we have only 3. We just work 3 double crochets, okay? Not to worry, we just work 1 double crochet into each. Then we work all the sequences. And now it's really easy because it's here. This is the stitch where we will insert hook and work the double triple. It's so obvious where it is, but because we are on the wrong side, we have to work them work the double crochet now from the front, and we leave the double triple on the back because we want it to be on the right side, you know. Okay, so can you see? I work like this and I have it here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's continue on like this. And work my 5 double crochets over my sequences. So in each sequence I will work the same thing, only that I will leave on the back side as I work, it's on the back side, my double triple. Okay, so I work my last sequence, and as you can see I have 6 double crochet till the chain 3 space in the middle, which means I will work, now I can work 1 more arrow stitch sequence, so I will work it. Okay, so from now on in each row we will add 1 sequence. In 1 row we will add it here in the center on one side and on the other side of the chain 3, and we will work 3 as we did here, 3 double crochets over the group of 3 double crochets at the beginning and at the end. Into the next row, so into the second row, we will add a sequence here, as you can see will be here, and we will work 3 double crochets over 3 double crochet in the middle, because now we are increasing. So we will add 3 double crochets on one side, of course chain 3 and 3 double crochet on the other side, which means into the next row here we will need to work 3 double crochets as we did into the first row. Okay, that's it, that is all. Now I will begin again here with a sequence of arrow stitch, because I have my 6 double crochets and I will complete all my sequences till the end. At the end I will work 3 double crochets over the last 3 double crochets. Let me show you. I will work 3 double crochets here over the last 3 double crochet as I did at the beginning, and then of course I won't forget to work 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1 plus 1 double triple into the 4th chain of the beginning, chain 5 of the previous row. Then into the next we will begin with 3 plus the sequence, and here we will work 3 double crochet and the increase. So this is how we alternate. Okay, so into one row we add into the center the sequence, into the other row we add the sequence at the end, at the beginning. Okay, that would be all. Look at this shawl, it is just lovely with this yarn too. If you are on the list of shipping from our boutique, I invite you to watch the link below to control the list of the countries where we ship, and if you want to purchase our yarns, the yarn that I work with is just perfect for this shawl, but there are other possibilities, other substitute, as I shown you at the beginning. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my my project, my creation. Don't forget that this is Oana boutique design, and if you work it, please link me. Please link the tutorial. It's something that for me it's very important. For you it's actually nothing, but you really help me as the designer of this shawl. Thank you for watching again. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.